Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of this highly enriching series of international research, capability building, seminar workshop, cum international research conference, and paper presentations, it is with great appreciation and inspiration that we reflect on the immense value this event has imparted to all of us. Just tonight, we have witnessed an incredible exchange of knowledge, ideas, and research innovations, which will undoubtedly enable us to advance in our academic and professional pursuits. First and foremost, we would like to extend our profound gratitude to Dr. Richard Sanchez, the founder and head research consultant of EdCore, whose visionary leadership has been the guiding force behind this entire program. His dedication to advancing research capabilities has created a platform for many of us to shine and add to the expanding corpus of knowledge. Our heartfelt thanks also go to Engineer Luisito Lacatan, the National Consultant for Research Trainings, for his continuous support in refining our research skills and providing guidance that shape the course of this workshop. Special acknowledgement to our research lecturer, Dr. Raymond R. Molano, for sharing his expertise with us. His wisdom and insight have broadened our understanding of drawing conclusions from a qualitative inquiry and inspired us to pursue even more groundbreaking studies. To our esteemed judges and paper reactors, Dr. Epigenio Mendoza, Sir Glenn B. Miliar, and Dr. Edessa Florderlis, we express our gratitude for your discerning critique and valuable feedback, which have surely improved the caliber of the study presented here. Your meticulous evaluations have reminded us of the importance of rigor and passion in research. As Henry Ford once said, anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. We also want to express our gratitude to the hardworking committee members, Dr. Mary Ann Valentino, Dr. Mary Ann Pillarda, Dr. Jake C. Viana, and Ma'am Carly May Subico, who made this event a success. All of this has been made possible by your efforts, and we sincerely appreciate your dedication and hard work. We are grateful to Sir Antonio Maderal and Ma'am Michelle Abilon, likewise Ma'am Carly Mesowico, and Ma'am Eileen Enobio for sharing their findings with us. Azora Hurston once said, research is formalized curiosity. It is poking and prying with a purpose. Your presentations have created new opportunities for inquiry and further study. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to all the participants and research enthusiasts from various places for their active involvement. A community that genuinely believes in the potential of inquiry and innovation has been fostered by your involvement and enthusiasm for research, which has generated a vibrant atmosphere for learning and collaboration. As we lead today, let us carry forward the knowledge, insights, and inspiration we've gained from this conference. The journey of research is long and sometimes challenging, but together we can continue to contribute meaningfully to society through our discoveries. Once again, thank you to everyone who made this event a resounding success. Let us continue to strive for excellence in our research, always remembering that research is creating new knowledge. May our shared passion for research brings us together again in future endeavors. Congratulations to all. Thank you and good evening.